how to improve your aim and accuracy in Zombeast. If you're playing Zombeast and looking to improve your aim and accuracy, then first of all, launch the game open on your device and go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top left corner from the home page. Now this will take you to the settings menu where you'll need to click controls from the top. Go ahead and tap on auto aim or auto fire option, and if you select auto aim, then you'll be able to automatically aim on an enemy, but you'll need to manually shoot. Whereas if you select auto fire, then you'll manually need to aim on an enemy and your weapon will auto fire. You can also increase or decrease the intensity from the bottom menu or the sensitivity, and then once you do that, get back to the game and see how it feels. So that is how you can improve your aim and accuracy in Zombeast. Upgrade your weapons to improve their accuracy, stability, and overall performance. Keep a safe distance from approaching zombies so that you can have more time to line up your shots. And that's it. With consistent practice and smart weapon choice, your aim and accuracy in Zombeast will continue to improve. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.